right, with this WESH 2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Manolfi, and I'll tell you what, we're going to have some active weather here over the next couple of days, probably peaking in intensity as we get into late Wednesday or Thursday, depending upon the arrival of this cold front that is taking its sweet time coming out of Oklahoma and Texas, and will be working our way. In fact, there it is right now, up towards Dallas, the Red River there, separating Oklahoma and Texas. On into Arkansas, we've got tornado watch, severe thunderstorm watch, and things are going to get active here over the next couple of days. As this front begins to lift to the east, you can already see a little boundary that's kind of like right in here, and that's going to lift north and east. That's going to allow for the sea breezes to get going. In fact, they're already going today. And you can see a couple of thunderstorms. That dry air is beginning to push offshore. We take a look at the radar, and you can clearly see what's going on. We've got some showers off towards the west, a couple of thunderstorms down towards the south. We had one severe thunderstorm warning there earlier, just to the west of Keynasville, but thankfully that cell has weakened. A couple of showers there. We had a huge hail core with a couple of thunderstorms there earlier. In fact, ping-pong size hail being reported near Avon Park and near Sebring a short time ago. That thankfully has weakened. Temperatures outside right now do look like this across the central Florida peninsula. We've got temperatures that have fallen back into the low in the mid-70s pretty much now area-wide. So again, a lot to watch here. I'm going to break down the next couple of days here for you, kind of show you what's going to be happening. We're going to show you two models here for the short range so you guys get a good sense of what's going on. Thomas Perry, Joe Hernandez, Michelle Rago, Beverly Wells. Here's a peek. There's Tuesday. Notice the storm push along the eastern side of the peninsula. Most of the day pretty quiet for most folks. But that will change during the day Wednesday. As you can see, another spoke of energy kind of coming across the north and the east. And the main line will be arriving with a cold front there during the day on Thursday, and that may trigger some stronger storms, and that's one of the things that we're going to be watching for. Everybody just kind of reevaluating as this draws closer. Now, our other model, the HRR, High Resolution Rapid Refresh. Linda, gotcha. Lisa Cervantes, Jojo Hernandez, Doug, Michelle, David Rudzik. Hail's the big concern. Yes, sirree. The next couple of days. All right, so let's get rid of that right there. Delete that pause. So the model is picking up a little bit of moisture tonight, not a whole lot. And then the HRR, same thing as the graph. It's got the showers and the storms from I-4 to I-95 and then kind of push it offshore. And then there's Wednesday, just kind of early in the morning, some showers get going. Those will build back towards central Florida as we head towards the afternoon on Wednesday. So tomorrow, again, the risk is isolated at best, favoring the eastern side of the peninsula for me. We'll watch the strong gusty winds. But I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bump up that hail threat tomorrow. I still think that that might be a medium threshold there. I'm going to wait till some of the evening soundings come out. We'll take a closer look at that. Nicole Goucher, Sharon Cochran, good to have both of you good folks in here. Hope you all had a good weekend, by the way, up there in Lady Lake, Nicole. Dan Sawyer, Cheryl Negrati, Angelique Voorhees Tunison back in the house. Angela, always a pleasure to have you. So let's fast forward here. Actually, tomorrow, let me show you the temps here first, and then we'll get into the change. Upper 80s to near 90, definitely some heat tomorrow afternoon. Low 80s at the beaches, upper 80s along the coast. Dave, thanks. Helene, Rish, Michelle, Tori, Linda, love this cooler weather. Wait till you see the weekend temperatures. You want cooler weather, we've got some of that returning, believe it or not. 84 Satellite Beach and 89 Point Siena. So next front, let's talk about this next round of showers and storms here. Wednesday, during the afternoon, you can see bands of showers and storms there. Stormy late Wednesday and Thursday as that front works north and south. And then I tell you what, we have some phenomenal weather. Donna, Thomas, Rosie, and Christina Gonzalez. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We're talking about a cool down, fall cool down, believe it or not. There's a look at the rest there. Isolated to scattered on Wednesday. We may even see a bit more yellow there on Thursday as the actual front moves across the peninsula. That's one of the things that we're going to be evaluating. Strong winds Wednesday for sure. Severe winds are low. Tornado threats low. Hail threat, again, still monitoring that. We'll have to wait and see what the upper level temperatures look like as we draw closer to that time frame. But the Euro versus the GFS rainfall amounts are totally opposite. GFS not gun-ho on the overall rainfall amount, but the European has this little convective cluster that comes across, so we'll have to watch that. I'm not sure that the Euro's actually got it yet, but we'll watch the trends. Cheryl, Vicky, thank you, Linda. Yeah, we do a lot of multitasking, that's for sure. One quick sidebar here. The Falcon 9 Axiom, which was supposed to be tested today, failed. There was a vent issue there, so that may affect the launch forecast and may push it back a little bit. We'll see. Cheryl, thank you. Paula Duncan Watts. The Euro is normally more reliable, but it may not be this time. That's one of the things that we're going to be watching. We'll see. Mercy Turan, good to have you there. So Saturday and Sunday, we've got some perfect/spectacular weather, sunny skies, crisp and cool. A lot of events going on this weekend. We've got the Explorer Stadium. We've got the Chicago Fire in town. We've got a forecast that looks like this right here. 75, 77. And then we've got really chilly weather. Mid-40s in Ocala. No rain for Sunday. Sunday looks fantastic. Brittany Fischetti, the weather was nice yesterday. I agree. We kind of lucked out the latter half of that weekend. Golf League season opener Saturday. How many champions? You got Bill Bushman. You guys are going to be in good shape. Excellent shape, by the way. Melbourne's in the house. Christina Nicole, Billy Lamonaco, good to have you there. Appreciate you as always for popping in and saying hi. By the way, Flo Rida is going to be at the Seven Seas Food Festival this weekend. Up in Warwick, Winter Spring. There you go, Doug. Nope, not always. Brian, just means that the thunderstorm grew very tall, and the air upstairs is colder, closer to the ground, so that ice doesn't have that chance to melt. So, yeah, that's how we look at that. All right, here's a look at the Euro, and you can see what it does. It's got lots of action there. Little weird, funny-looking thing there on Wednesday. And then Thursday, you can see the coverage of showers and storms pretty good right there. That's what the Euro, that's why it's coming up with that squiggly line. And here's the GFS. Laura, you are too kind to me. Thank you so much. I'll take a week or two. There you go. Vicky, you're going to love the weekend weather. Again, we're going to be in the 72, 77 range. So there's the GFS favoring the eastern side tomorrow, as is the Euro and the other models. Then on Wednesday, doesn't have a whole lot of rain here, which is a little strange. And then Thursday, with the arriving of the front, again, a better chance for showers and storms. GFS rainfall looking like this. It's got the best coverage up north. So we'll see. We'll see about that. Vicky Hill saying absolutely. There you go. And then let's put it all together here and put that 7-day back together for everyone right there. So impact weather days with showers and storms Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Again, giving us the opportunity for thunderstorms that will impact any outdoor plans you may be having. So 89, 90, 87, 78, 75, 77. Unbelievable. I mean, that is some absolutely fantastic weather that is going to be headed our way once we get past Thursday's storms. So just hang in there. A couple days of some showers and storms. I think the best coverage, though, is likely to be late Wednesday on into Thursday. More concerned for the eastern side of the peninsula Tuesday. And then we'll just keep checking in on that and making sure everything doesn't go awry. Sarah Miller has popped in. Sarah, always a pleasure to have you in here. Appreciate you popping in. As far as the national temperatures go, calendar may say April, but it's still cold in New England, the Great Lakes, and out west. And it's, again, April the 4th. Look at the snow still on the ground. Up New England, the Great Lakes, out west, Minnesota, all in on the snow on the ground. Migdalia LeBoy's popped in. Diana Radnor. Below zero, still Point Barrow, Inuvik, Fort Ross, Baker Lake. Fairbanks is at 19. Moosonee is at 19. Winnipeg, Minneapolis 43-44. Atlanta 72. Monterey 88. Cancun 82. Kingston coming in at 81. 50s in the evenings are coming back, Vicky, for a couple of nights. Yep. That's plenty true, Doug. From Iowa, where are you from Des Moines, Laura? Just out of curiosity. Probably this week will be something like Terry, very well, maybe. Deborah, Clinton, yeah, snow is still no bueno. 82 Belize City, 81 Caracas, Bogota coming in at 57. Thank you, Brian. Seabears, Garcia's popped in. Buenos Aires, Punta Arenas chilling down now, 39. Cape Town, 61. Niamey, 88. Rabat, Morocco, 54. Rome, 45. Oslo, still cold, 27. Moscow, 28. Surgut, 39. Elizabeth Paban having popped in. Look at Bratsk and Yakutsk in the teens. Ulaanbaatar, 25. Beijing, a balmy 61 degrees. Seoul, Korea, 48. Tokyo, 54. Oops. Sorry about that. Makassar, 79. Port Moresby, 88. Adelaide, 70. Perth, 61. Hobart Airport, 59. And Melbourne coming in at about 57. Claremont, Jose, Cologne, Lyon. Good to have you there, young man, Mr. U.S. Army. So again, recapping here. You can see big storm system, severe weather ongoing now out in Texas. This is going to build back towards the east here with time. Yakutsk is Spencer, Iowa. Wow, okay. There's our storm system right there. See the action brewing in Oklahoma. 2 hours from Sioux Falls. Wow, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Look at the storms building. Fort Meade, Winter Haven, Polk City, Claremont, Leesburg. There you go. Lake Wales, some pretty good storms there. So, one last look at the timing on these storms. Eddie Rodas. Yes, you do, my man. Eddie Rodas, Mr. Landscaping Extraordinaire. There it is, showers and storms late in the day. Palm Bay, Melbourne, and Titusville. Litchfield, I love that, yes. Diane Cormier. So there's that. And the HRR also has the storms on the right side of the peninsula, east side, right side, right there. 6, 7, and 8 o'clock. So we'll watch that. And then that severe weather threat will continue late Wednesday and Thursday with an arriving cold front. That, I think, is going to be the time frame we'll have to watch, late Wednesday and Thursday. Davenport today and tomorrow morning. You'll have showers and storms and in the afternoon. Mercy, we love you guys too. You bet, Mercy. That's why we do these. KK McCullough, president accounted for. Wow. I went to Thomasville. Excellent, Kay. I love that. Gerardo Lopez has popped in. So Slayer's been pretty active, but since we're not in hurricane season yet, we don't really show it. There's Wednesday. Again, scattered severe storms potentially possible just north of Marion County. Something we're going to be watching. Andrew Meyer, the weekend looks phenomenal. Going to be in the 70s, cool, crisp, lows in the 40s and 50s at night. In fact, here, look, there's Sunday morning, 52 in Orlando, 45 Ocala, 47 in DeLand. Let me go ahead and wrap this up here because I'm in the middle of a project, and I'll get back with you guys here shortly. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 89, 90, and 87. Rain chances going up. I think Thursday will be the busiest day, and then things will get really nice for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. 3 days of temps in the 70s with lows in the 50s. You're going to be loving that. Lulu Ferry and Jojo Hernandez are all in the house. Diane Comey going on. There you go. Andrew, you're welcome. So there you have it. All right, gang, I'm going to rock and roll, start making some updates here, get things ready for tonight. I will get with you guys here tonight at 10 on the CW18 and again tomorrow night on Facebook Live. Guys, have a great night. Take care. And always looking forward to our next chat. See ya.